Ayan. Kailangan lang natin baliktarin. Tingnan natin kung luto na ang other side. I think need more. Ito, niluto natin for 10 minutes. Yeah, need pang baliktarin para yung other side naman yung maging brown. Looks and smells so delicious. Masarap to sa tartar sauce. May nakalimutan pala ako, guys. Dapat pala nilalagyan natin to ng oil. Yung, air fryer. Yung loob. Para hindi siya didikit. Okay. Let's cook for another 5 minutes. Ayan. It's perfect. It's done. Our fish fillet air fried. Alright, let's try this. Tama lang ang luto. Medyo dinikit lang siya ng konti, but it's okay. Looks yummy and juicy. Ito yung kagandahan pag air fried. No guilty feelings, nakakain ka ng pinrito sa oil. Kaya lang, naubusan tayo ng tartar sauce. Pero meron tayo ditong mayo, garlic, and itong calamansi. So, ganito lang yan. Pagaan lang natin ang 1 calamansi. And then, minced garlic. Ito, bali, dinurog ko na to. Yung minced, yung garlic. And, lagyan lang natin ng para mas malasa. Gusto ko kasi yung amoy nito. Mince lang natin yung ating parsley. This is our parsley. Okay. Here we go. Perfect. Ang ating tartar sauce. Siyempre, tanggalin muna natin yung our tartar sauce. You can do this at home. So, nilagyan ko lang to ng minced garlic, isang calamansi, and a little bit of parsley. Minced parsley or chopped parsley. Okay, perfect. Tikman natin ang ating wow. Yummy.